Nestled in the leafy enclave of Naperville, Illinois, frequently crowned one of America's finest suburbs, stands a 22,000-square-foot modern Tudor that entirely redefines the concept of a staycation. This sprawling 2.5-acre estate is less of a traditional residence and more of a private luxury resort wrapped in classic brick and stone. Built in 2017, the manor's exterior is an architectural triumph of towering chimneys and graceful turrets. The designers prioritized deep dimensionality, immediately evident in the bespoke artisan iron entry doors and the lead-encased oversized windows that drench the interiors in natural light. Step inside, and your feet are met with the temperature-controlled luxury of Jerusalem limestone. Stone staircases, 8 distinct fireplaces, and soaring wood-beamed ceilings in the great room ground the massive home with an earthy, tactile warmth. A Drury-designed chef's kitchen, complete with double quartzite islands, a hidden prep kitchen, and a circular breakfast room, overlooks the grounds, ensuring even a Tuesday morning coffee feels cinematic. Working remotely, the wood-paneled library features global conferencing technology, though the temptation to ignore your meetings and simply stare into the stone fireplace is strong. When it's time to retire, the home offers 7 en-suite bedrooms, including 2 opulent primary suites. If the upper floors are a masterclass in elegant living, the lower level is an unapologetic playground where leaving the house becomes entirely optional. You can host a tasting in the 3,000-bottle iron-gated wine cellar, pull a pint from one of 4 taps at the custom leather and wood sports pub, or screen a premiere in the 17-seat acoustic-paneled theater. To recover from the festivities, simply retreat to the private indoor spa, complete with a resistance pool, sauna, and steam room. Outside, a heated bluestone patio leads to an infinity spa, pool, and a fully equipped kitchen, all surrounded by award-winning landscaping. This Naperville manor proves that true architectural luxury isn't just about the magnificent spaces you build, it's about the beautifully uncompromising life you get to live inside them.